Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel once again. So recently the Sidra network team announced a major partnership with the Safepal wallet. So now you can actually send your Sidra all the way from your Sidra mining app into Safepal wallet. It is now integrated. So congratulations to the team for this major breakthrough. So in this video, I'm going to guide you how to send it, how to add it and enable it in your Safepal wallet, and then how to send it from your Sidra network mining app into this your wallet. So kindly ensure you watch this video to the end so that I don't do mistake for any reason. So let's get started. Well, Safepal wallet is a Web3 wallet that enables you to save your cryptocurrency, transact, buy and send, and also you can actually swap automatically to the MEX exchange through their mini program right here. You can swap any token from the wallet into USDT directly and automatically here in the Safepal wallet, integrating by making use of the mini swap button in the swap section of this wallet. That is one of the latest integration on ground. All right. So while we've known this, let's go over to how to add the Sidra network. First of all, to add any Sidra network, you have to install the app and create. If you don't have a Safepal wallet, go ahead and install it from Play Store or Apple Store, and then you open it. Then after opening it, you create an account and set up your 12 key phrase. And I've also dropped a video on how to set up this in case you don't know how to create a password and how to set up an account. You can check the link at the description of this video to know how to go over it. I'm talking about the newbies, okay? So after creating an account, just this is the interface of the app. Just scroll down to where you have this manage button right here. You click on it. All right, after clicking on it, now you can see this section over here. All right, now look up. You can see enter token name or token contract address. So we'll tap that section, and then we are gonna be searching for SDA or Sidra. You can say SDA or Sidra, okay? And then as soon as you tap on it, you can see SDA right here. All right, now you can see SDA in Solana, but this is not the one we are looking at, guys. Don't tap this one, don't click on this. This is the one that we are looking for. All right, this is the one we are looking for. Okay, so you tap on this first one right here. So you tap on the plus button, and then it has been added. You can see added. All right, now let's go back and see if it has actually been added. So you tap right here. All right, let's scroll down. You can see Sidra SDA has been added. All right, so now we can now go click on it and then go and copy the our address. We can click on it and copy our address. Meanwhile, the Sidra has not yet listed. Okay, here is just a major integration on Sidra to let you send your unlisted tokens to the wallet and save it there. All right, so just go ahead and click on this receive button right here. All right, ensure that your wallet is well backed, okay? And then you go ahead. If it's backed, it won't show up this, but ensure you back up your wallet. All right, and then you go ahead and click on this. It will take you to this section. Go ahead and click on copy, this copy button right here. Okay, good. And after clicking that copy button, now you can now minimize and go to your Sidra mining app and send it. Okay, so here is my Sidra wallet. So here is the interface. You just head over to this receive send button right here. You click on that send button, and after clicking on that send button, it's going to load up. And kindly ensure your network is very stable while you're doing this, okay? And then afterwards, it will take you to this page, this section. Go ahead and insert your address right here that you copied from Safepal wallet. You paste it right here, okay? And then you now go ahead and click on this continue button, and then afterwards it will take you to this section. Now go ahead and type the amount of Sidra you want to send to your Safepal wallet. So now you can, if in case you are not sure if you copy the correct wallet address, you have to at least send a little token to that wallet to see if it will be seated there, if you can find it there. All right, that is for anyone that thinks that he didn't copy the actual wallet. But before you copy your Sidra wallet address from Safepal wallet, ensure that at least you are aware, you are sure of the button of the button you clicked. You are sure you copied the right address. I hope this is clear enough. Good. Now you go ahead and insert the amount you want to send. Let's say I want to send 5 Sidra. So I'll just click on this continue button to initiate the transaction. Okay, and then you can see here it will take you this to show up this. Now go ahead and click on confirm and send. All right, now you can see it is sending. After a few seconds it is going to be deposited automatically to my Safepal wallet. Okay, now you have to ensure that before you start sending in on Sidra, you have to ensure that you've passed the KYC, you have submitted all your information and are approved. Okay, now I have dropped some videos on how to complete your KYC. For those of you that don't know how to complete the KYC, now Sidra KYC is online, is offline, no more online as it used to be. So in order to complete your KYC, you have to make sure you do it. You go to the designated place recommended by the company to do in your country to do the KYC. All right, and after completing your KYC and approving it, then you can start sending and receiving your Sidra. I hope this is clear enough. Good. Now you can see here now that my Sidra has been sent successfully. So it has been deducted from my wallet right here on Sidra and sent to my Safepal wallet. So let's go and confirm the Sidra in our Safepal wallet. All right, so here's my Safepal wallet I've opened. Okay, here is my Safepal wallet. Just refresh the app and then you scroll down. Now you can see 5 USDT, 5 Sidra, sorry, 5 Sidra has been sent. You can see here that 5 Sidra now has been sent to this my wallet. All right, so if you tap on it, you can see it right here sitting and looking at you. So guys, this is just how to go about the process. And if this video was very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and see you in the next video.